otra vez, ¿por qué estoy tan callada? Yo no entiendo la razón de tu llamada.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. Today is a very exciting unboxing. So finally I have made a purchase. Yes, I bought Adidas Samba, the OG women's sneakers. I'm so excited. Like few months back I thought I don't like it that much, but now I started to feel like I really need them in my life, and whenever I decided finally that I need them, my size were sold out everywhere. But finally I found my size at Holt Renfrew, and I'm yet not sure if that is my size because I could not try them at store. I had to, make a guess. I actually watched a lot of YouTube videos and pretty much I had to guess my size. So let's do the unboxing. I'm excited and nervous if that is going to fit me really well. So let's do this together. So this is the huge box. Came from Holt Renfrew. Can you just believe how big is this box? Like, do you even see that? Like, it's that big. And it is actually just a pair of sneakers. So huge, it's huge. And let's open this, okay? Okay, so let's see.
Preguntas una y otra vez, ¿por qué estoy tan callada?
This is what I love about Holt Renfrew. Their packaging is out of this world. So I actually took their regular packaging. So this is how it looks. Really cool, right? I'm in love with this box. Oh, so pretty. Like, they send everything with so much love. See the tissue papers, they're like wonderful.
Okay. Que te aparezcas, ya puedo sentir que te acercas, y siempre que me tienes enfrente, dices que será diferente.
So look at that. The card. The shoe box is actually this one, and it's very small. Then you have lots of support areas. I'm going to save this box because this is so beautiful and I love it. And now let's see. Well, so this is finally the box we have, and the shoe size that I picked is US 6. Did I pick US 6? No. Well, I picked woman 7. I picked woman 7, so I'm not sure if I have picked the right size or not, because let's see. Wow. Ooh, it looks pretty big. Let's see if it really fits well, but how cute is that? So this is the original woman Stamba OG Samba, and this is how it looks. So I was actually really not sure which one to get, but after doing a lot of research, I'll tell you the details. I picked this one. Let's see if it fits me. Right? To me it looks a little big. I was almost getting a size smaller, but then everyone told that this area is little, narrow, so you should go for a size up or probably the regular size. So let's see. Well, ooh, looks like they are. So looks like they are my perfect fit. Surprising. Wow. Oh. So they really look like perfect fit. So yes guys, they are just so perfect. Well, so this is how they look, and it feels so comfortable at this point, and it is fitting so perfectly, exactly how I want my shoes to be. So that means if you're buying the regular OG Samba for women's size, you actually go for the regular size. As now I want to tell you some more details about how I picked the right size. Now I confidently can tell you that I picked up the right size because just the first impression is so good. I put them on my feet and it just felt right. It is so soft inside and feels so good. But about any sneaker, I would say if you can spend a day with it, then you can say better, like if it hurts you or not. So for that, definitely I will make another video. But this one is to, you know, tell you or show you my first impression. And first of all, the look of it is so good. I'm so happy that I picked it up because this is actually so beautiful. It's a timeless sneaker that you can wear always with any outfit. Especially I picked up the classic one because I feel like the classic one fits best with any of your outfit. At first I wanted to pick some other color, but then I thought you always need a pair of, you know, this kind of neutral white and neutral colors that goes with all of your outfit, and it never goes out of style. And then if it really serves me well over the time, I can go for, you know, other colors. And there's so many different colors and so many different category of Samba shoes, so or Adidas shoes. So you have a lot of different choices, but I went for this one because this sole, this is a rubber sole, and I really love the dark color. And there was also another one which is their XLG. It's a new edition, but when I actually saw them online, I went on with a lot of pictures and I saw a lot of different videos. To me that was a pretty, to me it looked pretty chunky, and it is actually pretty chunky, the sole area. It makes your foot looks pretty big, which sometimes I love, but this time around I wanted something really, you know, light, thin, and not big looking bigger looking. So I thought I would go with this one, and I feel like after seeing it in person, I feel like I made the right decision. About the sizing for my sneakers, depending on different brands and their design, usually for sneakers I am sometimes 7, sometimes 7.5, in between these two. So when I was looking for this, some people say size down because some people feel like it's a little bit big, and some says like go up just or go regular because this area is a little bit narrow. So what I did, I saw the measurement, I measured my feet, and that is like the measurement seemed like I am a size 7, and if you measure in centimeter or inches, whatever it comes, then you can just go for their size guide. That will give you a proper idea what size you are. So I'm usually between 7 and 7.5, so for these I went for 7. because 7.5 is comfortable, but sometimes it is a little big for some categories. So 7 was the exact centimeter size that matched, and I got this one. So I think their size guide is very true and you can just follow that. What I heard about the sneakers, they are all leather, and you know, they just really holds up well and don't get dirty easily. This is something that I heard from like other YouTubers who experienced these sneakers. So I'm really excited about these, and I feel like with all my neutral clothing, they will go really well. So I'll be linking down below the exact sneakers that I got. I will link a couple of different links from where you can get these because they're so hard to get. As I told you that initially when I was seeing this, people were wearing, started from like, people were always wearing this, but from last year the hype really came, but I was never into this. I never really loved it, but finally now I felt like I needed a pair of these. And yeah, they're actually really cute in person. I'm so happy that I got them, and they're so soft. It feels really soft. So I'll wear them all day long, and obviously I'll come again for a, you know, in-depth review for you guys. So actually, because these sneakers are hard to get, especially their specific sizes like 7, 7.5, the, you know, these are the very, you know, most of the people have these sizes. So this sells out really fast, and some websites actually sell them for, you know, higher than regular prices. I found them from Holt Renfrew for a really good price, like the regular price that it should be. So I'm really happy that I didn't have to pay extra. I just paid right. But if you really love them and you feel like you want to pay a little extra, you can see the other websites that I'll be linking down below, because sometimes you pay a little extra for your happiness and you get like the hard to get item. But I feel like if you wait a little bit, because they're classic, they're not going anywhere. If you have patience, somewhere you'll get them. So you can just wait and see whenever your size is available if you don't find it right away. So that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed the unboxing today, and I really enjoyed doing it together with you guys. That always excites me a lot more. So hope you enjoyed. Please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for upcoming exciting new videos. I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye.